Hi everybody, it's Nunu and I'm here in Home in our English 102 College Reading and Composition 2 course, which of course for us serves as a bulletin board to our classroom. So let's scroll down on our bulletin board and find out what we have for week 3 in modules, April 27th through May 3rd, 2020. We have 2 assignments. The first is Junot Díaz's 2012 short story, The Cheater's Guide to Love, 1,000 words, 120 points. And we have our second assignment, Online Journal 2, The Bell Jar, the 1963 novel by the poet Sylvia Plath. We're reading and discussing chapters 4 through 6, 1,000 words, 50 points. All right, let's click on this handy link to modules or class Bible to get into the assignments, and we are here in week 3. I'm clicking on the assignment for Junot Díaz, and I'm going to remind you that we have a part 1. The essay is due by 11:59 p.m. on Friday, May 1st, 2020. And of course, we have a part 2. These are the peer evaluations. They are due by 11:59 p.m. on Sunday, May 3rd, 2020. I only accept late work in a valid emergency situation, and I do not accept it often in this accelerated 8-week course. If you think you're going to have an emergency situation, come over here to inbox, let me know what's going on, and request to submit late work, okay? Please follow the late policy that you learned about in FAQ, the first assignment in week 1, and it's also in the syllabus. And let me scroll up to the syllabus right here. We see the late assignment policy is number 9. All right, something else I need to show you. I'm clicking back on modules, and I'm going into last week's assignment, The Bell Jar, and I'm scrolling down to the first posting. This is Kevin's journal about the bell jar, and I'm going to the end of Kevin's posting. And below his posting in the online journal, and all of your discussion essays function the same way. They operate this way. You have a thread, and people will evaluate your work below the thread. And definitely I, Nuala Linka-Ivic, aka Nunu, will ask you questions. So make sure you respond to these questions, and you'll always see them with this animated question in a box. And I can see below that Kevin has responded. Okay, in Kevin's thread and in your thread, you'll also have peer evaluations from your peers. They'll comment on your work, and make sure you respond to them too. It's part of your grade to respond, in addition to writing the essay and completing peer evaluations on essays. So you have all of this day, Monday, April 27th, to check your thread and make sure you respond to everybody who responds to your essay. Okay, if you have any questions or concerns, I'm over here in inbox. I care about your learning, and I hope you're doing well in this very surreal COVID-19 era. So I'm wishing you the best, and all of us the best. Well, let's have a good week, okay?